so much for joining us today. I'm so excited to be able to share with you a bit more about some of our amazing products that we have here. And today I'm going to talk with you about face masks. You're probably looking at me wondering what's going on with her skin here. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you all and share it with you right now. So what I'm doing is I have two different types of face masks on to target two different areas of concern with my skin. I have redness in my cheeks, but I have acne in this whole area. So when I'm masking, I like to combine two different masks so I can target the certain areas of my skin that need it. I think the biggest misconception is that if you are going to apply an acne mask, you have to apply it all over your face. But if you don't have acne on your forehead, you don't need an acne mask up there. You might need a mask for something else. So I have decided to use this acne mask right here to target acne that I'm experiencing, and our Soothe mask right here to target any redness. So the first one is Soothe. And like I said, this targets redness. It has some calming agents in it to cool down your skin from any redness and irritation that you might have. And then we have our Unblemished Acne Mask. And what I love about this mask is that it's gotten so many awards because it works. It sucks out all of the dirt and impurities and oils and gets rid of all of that excess sebum that might be causing you to break out. This mask starts off fairly clear, but then when you put it on your face, it turns into purple. So it's a really fun Instagram worthy mask. Another thing about this mask is, let's say if you don't have acne all over here, like how I do, you can use it just to spot treat little areas of your skin where you have a breakout. It's truly a revolutionary product. One of my other favorite masks that I love is our Redefine Rejuvenation Mask. This is a mask that's going to rejuvenate your skin. It's also going to target fine lines and wrinkles. And I like to use this mask, especially on my forehead. I have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles up there from going like this a lot at my kids. So I like to use this mask on this area right here. It has these really tiny micro exfoliating beads that helps with exfoliation, which we all know also helps with aging. And what you do is you just take it, you rub it gently in between your fingers, and you apply it to your dry skin. So you rub it all in, and then you just let it do the work. And about 5 minutes later, you'll come back and you'll take it off. And that's the great thing about all these masks. They all just take about 5 minutes. So they're great to use at night while you're brushing your teeth, or in the morning while you've got a few minutes before you're getting ready to go out the door. So as you can see, it's kind of turned into this like frothy looking white mask right here. And now I'm just going to leave it alone and I'm going to let it do its work. And then the last mask that we have, which I really like, is our Radiance Mask. Our Radiance Mask is one of our more popular masks. This mask is going to help you have glowing, radiant skin. And I actually like to use this mask all over my face when I'm done. It has turmeric in it and it has other ingredients in it that's going to help brighten your skin if you're feeling a little dull. It's a really cool color. It's gold. So it's so much fun to do. It's so much fun to post on Instagram because then everybody asks, what is that? And it's got such a really cool appeal to it. So I like to use this mask all over my face when I am done with these masks. So when considering a mask, I would suggest looking at two of them to target different areas of your skin. You know, if you're like me and you have a lot of acne around here right now because of wearing masks, but maybe you've got some dryness because you're in a drier climate, choose these two masks and you can combine them together. Or maybe you want to target, fine lines and wrinkles all over your face. Definitely try the Rejuvenation Mask and that will work all over to get rid of that. Oh, and one more mask that we have. I completely forgot. Our Recharge Detox Mask. Guys, this is the answer to those crazy charcoal masks that you've been seeing online with people screaming and yelling. This is not it. This is a mask that has volcanic sand in it. It also has avocado seed and mango butter. And the reason why it has those in here is because it's going to pull out all the impurities while also nourishing and moisturizing to give you a hydrated, clean feel after you use it. Any questions that you have, drop them in the comments. Let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions and give some suggestions on what would be a good +1 for you and your regimen. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.